what's up, dog? All the haters out of line, get brushed off. Come raw, still shine when the sun gone. Keep the vibe real strict like the gun laws. Unsolved, sounds sweet like a love song. Anybody out of line, get shrugged off. Immaculate times, I'm back in the law, professing from the back of my mind. Hit 'em up like Pac in his prime. I don't question what is fate and divine. I don't care what it cost me, it's fine. The universe keep my pockets aligned. Ain't no stopping the grind. I'm going up like good stocks, doing everything that said I could not. I'm automatic, you should know not to leave me free. I'm on the move, you can catch me on the DVT or going full speed through someone's garden. What you grown, cause I ain't stopping. Going full speed through someone's garden. What you grown, cause I ain't stopping. On sight, on sight. Keep it up, I'll be here all night. On sight, on sight. Keep it up, I'll be here all night.
I can put it down, but you can't pick it up. And since you lost the bet, then you should tell your best friend hit me up. I know y'all think it's these, but I can steal it from you if I want. Cause by the hands, man, look at that, the way that I just switched it up. Girl, I think I just hit a flip and run. Ain't wait, if that's your ex, then you should probably go and get it. Cause I have no time for the questions, this ain't trivia. Saw she was a Simpsons fan, the game I gave was hit and run. How you tryna block my mama brightest sun? You must be off, you must be off, you must be off. The stupid that I have done. If music fail, it's all good, man. I managed Cinnabon. It's my fault that I keep cracking up. Oh, that's your that you keep backing up. Honestly, it felt like 30 seconds left at the goal line and the score tied. Girl, my waistline feel packed. Face look like you got triggered. I ain't mean to compare you like 47. Honestly, I'm saying you look good in a dress. I'm impressed cause I like my little baby full figure.
Going full speed through someone's garden. What you grown, cause I ain't stopping. Going full speed through someone's garden. What you grown, cause I ain't stopping. On sight, on sight. Keep it up, I'll be here all night. On sight, on sight. Keep it up, I'll be here all night.
I fell in love with impossible. I shook hands with a man named Intangible. Left a trail in the sand, let him know that I've been here. I caught a glimpse of the invisible. I threw stones and invincible. It didn't hurt, I never said that it would work. And if I fall, doesn't mean that I failed to fly. Failure is only a fail to try. I put heaven in my right hand. It's too expensive in the sky. So what do you believe in? It's never easy to know when your faith is gone. Hard time believing. Oh, so what do you believe in? Oh, all I need in this world, and all I need in this world, it gets hard, but I'm breathing.
It is a fixture with echoes from history. Certainly we're talking about two of the most successful teams in the game with such passionate sets of supporters. All the live action from the Emirates coming up next. It's Arsenal against Manchester United. And this is the scene here at the Emirates Stadium in North London, and I'm delighted to be able to report that it's a perfect day weather-wise. I'm Derek Ray, positioned here on the commentary gantry, and alongside me at the microphone is Stuart Robson. I'm very much looking forward to bringing you action from the Premier League. It's Arsenal up against Manchester United.
Well, I'm excited by this encounter today. Both teams have a good game plan, both teams can be physical, and both teams have creative players. It could be a case of who wants it more.
And so the starting 11 for Arsenal. Martin Ødegaard plays alongside Marino in central midfield. And the idea is to have just the one striker up there trying to pose problems for the opposition. And here's the lineup for Manchester United.
Well, it's a 4-3-3 formation with a centre forward and two wingers. So it's important that the midfield players give support to the striker whenever the ball goes wide. They can't allow him to be isolated.
And so the match is underway. Angelino. Marcus Thuram. Mikel Merino. And here's Saliba. Martin Ødegaard. Sancho now. Mikel Merino. It does appear to be opening up on the flank for Arsenal here. Trying to open them up. Could be in. Oh, from close range, not ideal. Piero Incapié. Mikael Damsgaard. It's with João Cancelo. Well, here's the table, and it's clear to see why there's been so much disappointment amongst the Arsenal fans. They have been playing below expectations, you've got to say.
Hang on, Derek, it's a chance here.
Well, it's high-level goalkeeping.
Well, he's just pulled off a great save there. That's goalkeeping of the highest quality, I would say.
And a short corner, let's see. Really good build-up, but he must finish! And you have just witnessed a really high-class save.
Well, you won't see a better reaction save than that. That is a superb piece of goalkeeping.
Well, they're going for the short one. The delivery. Pretty simple for the keeper. He read the situation defensively and did his job. Well, he's a player well capable of running riot, Martin Ødegaard. Interested to know what you think he might deliver today.
Well, if you give free kicks away to this man, he'll punish you. He really is brilliant from dead ball situations.
Oh, they could finish here, Stuart. Front hand on that one. Oh, great vision. And easily intercepted. And teammates around him. Well, they might be able to launch a counter-attack. Well, it was so easy on the eye, that counter-attack, but no reward for them.
Yeah, it was all good until the final effort. It just shows how devastating they can be on the break, though.
João Cancelo. And now with Angelino. Going well. Delivered into the area here. What a lovely strike! Lethal piece of finishing. Drilled home with true conviction. Tremendous goal. So the game restarted by Arsenal. A wake-up call for the Arsenal players, perhaps. Can they construct a response? De Ligt. Angelino. Lot to like about that pass. Well, it looked highly promising, but they got nothing out of it. Thuram. Saka. Chance here. And the referee has pointed to the spot. Penalty given. An opportunity to level matters. And in it goes, as coolly as you like. Never had any doubt from the spot.
Well, here it is again. He makes it look so easy. The keeper dives slightly early and he passes it into the other side. Really confident finish.
Underway again here on the back of that leveller. Right, news coming through of a goal in the Spurs game, and Alex Scott will tell us about it.
And it's a goal for Wolves. They've scored the opener with 23 minutes played.
Alex with the info as ever. Now will the keeper have to pay the price for that mistake? United might be able to cash in. Grimaldo, failure to keep the ball by United. William Saliba. Bukayo Saka. It's with Ødegaard. And a throw-in for Arsenal. Well, that wasn't part of the plan, was it? Giving the ball away like that. Martin Ødegaard. Saka. Arsenal struggling to keep the ball. Jean-Philippe Mateta. But he's certainly not alone. Trying to open up the defence. And closing through. What a stop that was. Saka. And return to Saka. Ødegaard. Shot blocked but still alive. Jadon Sancho. And teammates to play it to. Well, that's how to do it inside your own penalty area. Trey Hume. Arsenal get the advantage from the referee. High quality defending.
Well, as we can see, Arsenal dominated the ball in the last 15 minutes and have looked great going forward. They just need to take one of the chances they've created to get themselves ahead today.
Now can they win back possession and create something else? Angelino. How will the cross work out for them? Well, far too much on that particular cross. Duro. Sancho now. Inacio. Thuram. Real chance. Keeper getting the touch. Looking for a teammate. Oh no, not even close to hitting the target that time. Joao Cancelo. Wasteful from United. Inacio. Wilting under the pressure, and now they try to go forward. Well, they had a decent reading of that ball in. Martin Ødegaard, able to block it. Saka. Well, there was impending danger, but good defending. We are going to have 2 additional minutes. And clear behind for a corner.
Well, they haven't created too much lately, but the fans know this is a chance to take the lead here.
Corner kick played in. Oh, disappointing clearance. And a goal to delight the fans. Just what they were hoping for.
When you see this again, the defending just isn't good enough. The clearance doesn't get enough height on it, doesn't get enough distance on it, and suddenly the ball's being played back into their danger area, and they don't reorganise themselves, and that's why the ball's in the back of their net. Well, he's got to make some changes now, just to get his side back in this game.
So there we have it, 2-1. Joao Cancelo. And there it is, the referee's whistle. The first half has come to an end here in North London. Well, he played his part in the first half, that's for certain. Marcus Thuram. Sum up his contribution for us.
Well, he certainly had an impact on that first half, scoring that late goal, but I thought his overall contribution was really good, and he got better as the half wore on.
Well, it's advantage Arsenal after the first 45 minutes, but still a long way from being decided here. Opportunity to level it. They just couldn't stay in front. And now this match is all square.
Well, as you can see, he beats the defender so easily with a change of pace, and then it's a decent finish. That's a very good goal, you have to say.
So underway again, and it's a story of parity. 2 goals apiece in this one. Duro. Well, that's the sign of a well-organised defence. Showing fine vision. In fairness, the keeper had plenty to think about that time. There's been so much speculation in terms of whether the transfer would go ahead, but it will go ahead, Stuart.
Yeah, and at that price, it seems like very good business, doesn't it? Looking forward to seeing his debut, and hopefully he can hit the ground running.
Can he do it? Oh, a powerful effort. Close. Sancho. Inacio. Now, who can he play it to? That's a good pass. And a penalty awarded. Spot kick coming up. Well, some might say he's been fortunate to avoid being shown the card.
Well, I like that from the referee. Just because it's a penalty doesn't mean it's a yellow card. I think he's got it right.
This to give them the lead again. A goal! Calmly taken spot kick.
Well, here we can see it again. Keeper's gone the wrong way, and it makes for a fairly easy finish in the end. That's how to take a spot kick.
Underway again, and we're being treated to plenty of goals. 3-2 at the moment. Throw in here for Arsenal. The cross is on. Is it going to be? Oh, wasteful. Very wasteful.
Well, I think that's an easy chance for him there. The goalkeeper can't believe his luck, can he?
Mikel Merino. It's with Ødegaard. That's a very fine piece of tackling. This could square the game, but the keeper has his say. And how important could that be in the grand scheme of things?
Well, that was a big chance, and really, he should have taken that. But let's give credit to the goalkeeper. It's a decent save.
Ødegaard. Superb defensive judgment to end the attack. Well, this is one you won't want to miss here on EA TV Live. The second and decisive leg of the Champions League round of 16 tie. It's Arsenal versus Paris Saint-Germain.
Well, the first leg was a tough game, so I'm expecting a really tense second leg. What a reward for the winners, a place in the quarter-finals.
Really good build-up, but no end product. Martin Ødegaard. Counter-attacking, very much an option. Ødegaard. He's got to score! But it wasn't a taxing save. Well, a shame really, because the move was promising, but no end product from them. An exciting night in store, and we'll have you covered here on EA TV. The second leg of the Europa League round of 16 tie. It's Manchester United facing Roma.
Well, after that first leg, there's everything to play for in the second leg. With a quarter-final place at stake, it should be a great game.
Fine cross into the middle, and the keeper able to hold on to it.
Well, as we've seen, Arsenal dominated the ball in the last 15 minutes, and with it have created some great openings. They certainly look as though they get another before too long.
Yes, really going so well for them, and who knows, they might be able to craft another opportunity. Duro. Really important piece of last-ditch defending. Plenty of support here. well-timed tackle. It's going to be United's free kick. And United will switch things around personnel-wise. Joao Cancelo. Oh, beating his opponent with ease. Just not testing the keeper at all with that cross. Duro. Oh, surely. Oh, that surely had to go in. But marvellous defending. Arsenal pushing to add to the lead. They've won the corner. And they're going for the short one. And a decent delivery. Managed to get it out of there. Well, a shame that he couldn't find the target from there. Joao Cancelo. Ben White. Now with Hume. Bukayo Saka. And fed forwards. Saka. Textbook defending inside the box. And he has options available.
Well, what an atmosphere we've got inside this stadium. The fans are driving the players on here. Surely they're going to hang on now.
Well, he was a long way from goal, but that didn't seem to bother him.
Well, he won't strike a football much better than that. That certainly had the keeper worried.
Joao Cancelo. It did look on for them, but not to be. Jadon Sancho. It's with Mikel Merino. And passing it well. It might still be problematic. That's a foul, and it will be a potentially dangerous free kick. Time for a change then. Brilliant technique, so close.
Well, he hits it so sweetly, but it just doesn't creep under the crossbar. He's so unlucky.
And just 5 minutes remaining. And easily intercepted. Trossard. It's with Mikel Merino. Well, keeping the ball in this manner can be very effective. Now in possession, Trossard. Thuram. This could finish it. Well, it's a wild attempt. He needed something better. Offside, however.
Well, you're right. He didn't know it was going to be offside, and that was a shocking miss.
Possession ceded by United. And defensive play to be applauded. Well, the action is going to continue for a while yet. We will have 4 minutes of stoppage time. Mikel Merino. Thuram. Ødegaard. Well, the power was there. Not really the placement, however. Goal kick. Rashford. Given away by Manchester United. Ødegaard. Can he finish them off? Superb stop. And there's the final whistle. The grim news from the Manchester United point of view is that United haven't picked up anything from this game.
Well, Derek, not quite good enough today. Yes, they only lost by 1 goal, but I never felt they were in control of the game. A frustrating day all round for the coach to think about for the next time.
And no wonder the cameras are focusing in on Bukayo Saka, because he was absolutely tremendous in this game.
Well, he did everything today. His energy, skill and movement was just too good for those defenders. It was a really good display.
And so the match is underway. And so the match is underway. Trying to open them up. Could be in. Well, from close range, not ideal.
Hang on, Derek, it's a chance here.
Really good build-up, but no end product. He must... Delivered into the area here. What a lovely strike! Lethal piece of finishing, drilled home with true conviction. And in it goes, as coolly as you like. Never in any doubt from the... Looking for a teammate. Oh no, not even close to hitting the target that time. And a goal to delight the fans, just what they were hoping for. They just couldn't stay in front, and now this match is all square. Can he do it? A goal! Calmly taken spot kick. And so the match is underway. Going well. Delivered into the area here. What a lovely strike! Lethal piece of finishing. Drilled home with true conviction. Tremendous goal. Opportunity to level it. They just couldn't stay in front, and now this match is all square.